Okay, the match ended 4-1. Manchester United, Bournemouth 4-1. Goal by Rasmus Holland. Second goal was by Patrick Dogu. Third goal was by Ahmed. Fourth goal was by William. And the goal they scored us was really a mistake, though. Should I call it an home goal? It was really a mistake. It was never supposed to happen. But guys, despite this winning, we shouldn't get carried away. We shouldn't get carried away at all because this is still a preseason match. Though, if we win our next match, which is Everton, we'll be lifting the Premier League Tour trophy. There's a trophy for this match that we are playing, but we shouldn't get carried away because the retest come from when the Premier League starts. Because every match you win, there are 3 points that will take you further. Now, all the players today were really terrific. From Rasmus Holland, Patrick Dogu, Ahmad, Maguire, Casemiro, Bruno Fernandes, Dalot, all of them were really terrific. They were really good. For the first time in a long time, I am seeing Manchester United being very proactive. They were being very aggressive. They were really, really ready. Everybody was all marking together, attacking together. It was really a beautiful match to watch. If you didn't watch the match, because I know it was really late. This is just 4:26 a.m. now. So I know a lot of people will not watch the match. So I'm just trying to drop analysis. You can also check out the highlights via YouTube or Facebook. So now let's talk about Tom Heaton. I think Amorim should be giving Tom Heaton should be given more chances when the Premier League starts. We shouldn't just use him on the preseason and just throw him back to the bench. It should be with what I've seen. With what I've seen from Tom Heaton, I think he's far better than our second choice goalkeeper, which is Van Heaton. And I can basically say there are some saves I saw he did today that Onana would have just allowed those ball go into the back of the net. Tom Heaton should be given a chance. We really need to talk about Tom Heaton being given a good chance to perform or to play in the Premier League this season. Okay, it was outstanding. It was also terrific today. It was good. Okay, now when we make changes on the second half, I think we made about 10 changes in the second half. I was really thinking, okay, maybe the tempo of the match is going to drop. But I was surprised that this guy surprised me. Within 5 minutes of them entering the match, they scored, which was the fourth goal. They scored. There are positives to take from this match. And when I didn't see Cunha, when the match started and they say Amorim arrested Cunha, I was like, why? Why will you do that? But I also saw the reason why he did it, because this is an opportunity to use these old players that we were using before to see how they've progressed. And not playing Cunha actually shows that these players have really progressed with their pace, with rushing. Like when they lose the ball, they are in a rush to gain the ball back. I saw a lot of positive in this match today, and if we can take this to the Premier League, which is the first test of the season on the 17th of August, we can take this performance, this form, and just push it further and further and further. Believe me, you might end up finishing top 4. You never can tell. Even if we are not having a striker or a goalkeeper anymore, with what I'm seeing, if we can improve on it, we might finish in the top 4. Now for the striking position, Chidobe, you really need to start scoring goals. Just in case Manchester United is unable to get any striker, because I'm not seeing Sesko as the striker that we wear the boots or take on that's striking position for Manchester United. I actually preferred Victor Osimhen and Victor Gyökeres, but aside those two, I'm not seeing any prolific striker that I can pinpoint. So Chidobe, the striking position is yours for the taking. We have Rasmus Holland and we have Zexi. If you can start scoring goals, it means you are putting yourself in the position to be picked, to be used often as a Manchester United striker. So that's just my say for this match, guys. There's a lot of positive, but we should not get carried away with the results. The retest starts from on the 17th of August.